If you love eating banga stew known as Ofe Akwu just like me, and you don't know how to make it, this video is for you. Come closer, let me show you how to make it. My name is Amaka. Please subscribe to my channel.
So I'll start by washing my apple, known as palm nuts. Then I'll go in with some water while I cook it until it's very soft. So let's prepare my vegetable. I'm using scent leaf. While I'm done with that, then I go in with my meat. I'm using cow meat. Add some seasoning powder. Add my thyme. Then add seasoning cube. Add my salt. Then we'll cook it. Just to parboil it a little bit. It's already boiling. Cover it. Then let's check on the akwu. At this point, the akwu is almost ready. So now the next thing to do is to add my stockfish. I've already washed it. I'll add it inside the meat in the pots. And I'll allow it to boil a little bit more while I take it down. So this is how to know that your akwu has cooked very well. Let's pound it. Ofe akwu is a whole lot of process, but trust me, it's worth it when you're done making it. It's something you enjoy. You will enjoy it very well. I don't know, but I love Ofe akwu. Carry your stew, give me my Ofe akwu. It's okay for me. Pound it, pound it. So this I'm done pounding. It's time for me to start squeezing out the juice. This process you can actually use hot water, but me I'm using cold water because the pomfret is hot. I just brought it down immediately from fire. Then I started pounding it. But in case is your own is not hot, you have to use hot water so that the juice, everything can be everything will come out. This is the most stressful part in making of apple. If you have not tried eating of apple before, I think you should try it. You're going to love this too. In fact, when you start eating it, you even say you know eat normal tomatoes too. Just remove it the way I'm doing it in case you've not done it before. You remove the chaff this way. It's very simple, it's not difficult. So this is it. So my juice is ready. My Ofe Akwu juice is ready. So I'll set it aside. And the next thing to do is to remove my meat stock, this thing, remove it, the water. I'm going to be adding it later, so I have to remove it for now. Then we'll pour in the Ofe Akwu juice inside the meat. Be careful before pouring everything, because under is always there's always this dark particle that you see in it. The next thing to do is to go in with my okpei, then pepper, yellow pepper. This is one of my secret ingredients while making Ofe Akwu. If you have not tried using this pepper in making Ofe Akwu, you're missing a lot. Just try it out. Try using this pepper. In fact, it will take your Ofe Akwu to another level. You can actually mix it with red pepper, but me, I prefer using only this yellow pepper. The aroma is giving. So pound it together. My onions. So at this point, your Ofe Akwu is boiling. I'll go in with the pounded this thing. This is my crayfish. Add my pounded pepper and the okpei. Add my crayfish. Add my onions. Add my seasoning cube. Then I'll add my salt. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook properly. So let's check it. See how the Ofe Akwu is looking. The color has changed. That shows that the Ofe Akwu is almost ready, and it's not watery. So I'll go in with my meat stock. Then I'll add my vegetable. I'll combine it together. Then we'll cover it and allow it to cook for a few minutes. So guys, look at how this Ofe Akwu stew is looking, so beautiful, and it equally tastes delicious. Sorry, the aroma is everywhere. In fact, even my neighbor is even peeping to know what I'm cooking. Hey, try this simple recipe, you'll like it. I promise you, you'll love it.
So guys, if you find this video so helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.